We offer wood replacement side rails and center support systems to extend the life of many beds. Replace metal or other wood rails with our high-quality wood side rails. Our standard bed rails are 7/8 thick and 5 inches tall and will fit most any slotted head and footboard combination. The wood rails come in pairs. Each box includes the side rails and the only hardware you'll need, the standard bed hooks. For queen or king size beds, you'll need to order the 82-inch rails. If you have a twin or full size, that requires 76-inch rails. We offer 3 high-quality finishes: light pine, medium oak, or dark cherry. For those that want to stain to match their head and footboard exact, you should choose our unfinished rails. If safety, quality, quick delivery, negotiable terms, and cost matter to you, go to garrettsupports.com